Hi, I am recording this video at 1 a.m. because there's something very urgent that I must let you know. If you are in Singapore and you invest in the stock market, you have access to hundreds of platforms to select from. Not an easy decision. I'm going to recommend you one more. It is the newest company to launch their trading platform in Singapore. I see this urgent because they are giving new users one free Apple stock. Apple stock is worth 180 Sing dollars. But to get it, you have to sign up an account, deposit some funds by March 7, 3 p.m, which is in a few days' time on a Sunday. Hence, I say this is urgent. This video will be made up of two parts. Firstly, I will introduce that new trading platform and show you how I sign up, deposit funds, and get the free money. In the second part, I will show you the spreadsheet that I've been using to compare the commissions that trading platforms charge, and then recommend what is the cheapest one. Now, let me tell you about the new trading platform called Moomoo. On a perfectly ordinary morning, I was making breakfast for Kate, reading the Business Times on my iPad. And then I saw a write-up about a company called Futu. Futu is a Tencent-backed fintech company expanding into Singapore. Their trading platform is called Moomoo, and they are giving out $180 to new Singapore customers. As always, never say no to free money, unless it is a scam or the platform really sucks. I don't mind trying out Moomoo, and they do look good. Let me show you the sign up process which I have recorded. The sign up process is not great. After creating an account, you need to open another account. This second account is a Futu Singapore account where they need more information about you before you can trade. It is fast to sign up when I use SingPass MyInfo. The biggest hiccup would be this email verification process where I waited for the email to arrive. Turns out, you need to click this send button to trigger the sending of the email. Very bad user experience in my opinion. The account is approved very quickly. In my case, only 11 minutes. The final step is to deposit money into Moomoo. I choose to transfer Singapore dollar using Fast, which would be free. They provided their bank details for you to add as payee. I use my Standard Chartered app to add them as payee and send the money over. To earn the free Apple share, you need to send $2,000 USD or 2,700 SGD. I send $2,800. They will take 1 to 3 business days to clear the fund. I believe they can clear it pretty fast. Remember, to earn the Apple share, you need to deposit the funds successfully by 7 March 2021. That is a Sunday before 3 p.m. So act fast, act now. If you miss this deadline, I suppose they might run other similar promotions. So still click on my sign up link below to find out more. I will take this opportunity to show you the Google spreadsheet that I use to compare between different trading platforms. Over the last 10 years, I have used many platforms. DBS Vickers was my very first that I used 10 years ago around 2010, but it is very expensive. Hence, I switched to Standard Chartered Bank 5 years ago. I'm still using Standard Chartered Bank along with Interactive Brokers, which I think is the best. I also used before Fund Supermart, Poems, and iFast, but I won't recommend them now. Since trading platforms come and go, it is easier to have a clear picture of how much they charge. One might charge lowest in the US stock market, while another might be lowest if you trade a larger transaction. Hence, I created this spreadsheet to show the different scenarios. What I did is to go to their official website, decipher how much they charge, and put it into a referral table like this. Then in the overview tab, I compare them with different scenarios. These three rows show the scenario where I buy 10 Apple share at 125 each, so the total cost is just $1,250. For this small trade, I will see how much each platform charge. So let me explain a bit here. So Standard Chartered Bank has two different types of customers. One is for the priority customer and the other one is regular. So they charge differently. Then even for Moomoo, they are running a promo period, so which can be 1 year. So during that 1 year promo period is actually cheaper. So you can actually just refer to here. And then for interactive brokers, they have different accounts, but I'll just use the tiered account. For more info, you can go to different tabs. You'll see that the commission as a percentage, and for here, IB is the cheapest. I highlighted the cell green to mean that it is the winner. Similarly, I created other scenarios. So I'll buy 20 Apple shares, 50 or 200. They comes at different costs, so they'll have different commission. For US, the clear winner is Interactive Broker. For Singapore shares, also quite clear, it is Interactive Broker. For Hong Kong, Moomoo can be the cheapest during their promo period. The promo period is 1 year, so that it is long enough to be useful. But you'll find that they win in the scenario where the trade value is higher. I usually trade no more than $20,000, so I won't find it very useful. But as I said, Moomoo is giving free Apple share, so that is still worth signing up for. The Google Spreadsheet is a public spreadsheet so that you can download, make a copy, and use it for yourself. Check it out in the link below. Commission fee really eats up a lot of your money if you're not careful. So do compare the platforms that you are using or is available to use. If I were to recommend the best platform, I would say as of 2021, it is clearly Interactive Brokers. They are the cheapest in most cases, and their mobile app is great. Interactive Broker also have a cool referral program. They reward you up to $1,000, provided the more you trade, the more you earn. So do sign up Interactive Broker. Use my link in the descriptions below. Bye bye.